Hello, my name is Cassius Christie, and today I will be doing a video on the website called Buffer. For those of you that do not know what Buffer is a website that allows you to create scheduled postings for all your social media platforms. So as you can see, I have linked my Twitter account and my LinkedIn account to Buffer, and I actually have two scheduled postings, one for each of my linked social media accounts. So this is the tweet that is scheduled to post tomorrow morning at 9:16 a.m. And this is the LinkedIn post that is scheduled to post at 11:30 a.m. tomorrow as well. So some of the features that I have discovered is the posting schedule. This posting schedule is very in-depth. You can choose whatever day you want things to be posted, or you can just choose every day. You can turn on and off whenever days you don't want there to be a post. And you can add custom posting times as well, which I think is very useful. So I'm actually going to be posting 5 Feedly articles to LinkedIn as well as Twitter. So I have my 10 articles right here, and right now there is an FBI investigation into the NCAA for athletes being paid. So I'm going to be posting 5 sports articles to my Twitter account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the article, the link. So I've clicked the link, going to Buffer, and I've posted the link to the actual Feedly article. I'm going to add it to the queue. So as you can see, it is posted. I'm going to add the rest of them. If people want to invest in young athletes, let them. Also related to the scandal that is going on. No image. To the queue as well. So I've posted that second article, and sometimes the links will not pop up, but if you click it, it will take you to the actual article. 3 ways the agents bribing elite college basketball recruits get themselves busted. I copy that one as well. Add this one to the queue. I'm just going to use the cover photo. So right now I have 3 articles added to the queue, and I'm going to add the last 2. The 11 best college games that the NCAA says didn't happen because of violations. Use the cover photo again. And the last one I'm going to add is everything you need to know about the current basketball scandal that is going on in the NCAA. I'll use that one. So, as you can see, I have the 5 scheduled Feedly articles to be posted on my Twitter, and it gives you the timestamps as well as the dates that they will be posted. Now for my LinkedIn, I'm going to create the 5 postings with Feedly articles related to social media marketing. So this is the first one I will use about the Golden State Warriors. Copy the link. And I'm not going to add an image right now. So I have this one posted for Saturday, the 3rd of March, but I can change that in the settings as well. But I'm just going to continue and add the rest of my articles. The Ultimate Guide to Generation Z Marketing. Copy the link. Share. Add to the queue. It's very easy to navigate through Buffer and schedule things to be posted. All you have to do is just make sure that your scheduled posting timeline lines up to how you like it, and everything else is very, very simple after that. So far I have added 3 of my articles. I'm going to be adding my last 2. And now for the final article. 15 ways to use Snapchat for your business. So, now that I have my 5 articles scheduled to post on LinkedIn and Twitter, what if I decide that I wanted to actually change my dates or actually pause the posting times? So what I can do is I can go into the pause queue section, and as you can see, my LinkedIn queue has been paused. So that means that none of my scheduled posts will post unless I unpause it. And it's the same thing for Twitter. All in all, I think Buffer is a good website. It's easy to navigate, and it's actually very helpful if you are someone that creates a lot of social media content. And this website can definitely help you manage what you want to post and when you want to post it for your followers and everyone else to see it. That concludes today's video. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.